I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to introduce to you a must-have for your hair care routine. These are the plastic amber squeeze applicator bottles. I use one of these for my hair oils and another one for my hair dye. The great thing about these bottles is that they have a 16-ounce capacity, and they come with this cap that is a twist-off cap to prevent any spills from happening. This is the type of bottle that will dispense the perfect amount of product onto your hair. This tip here allows you to be precise when applying product. So for my hair care, I normally create a mixture of oils, and I'm able to fit it all in this bottle. I just twist the top off and I will apply it to my roots and then massage it in each night. So if you are into DIY hair care, I highly recommend these applicator bottles. They make it super easy, and that's my point of view.